Here's a quick unboxing and review of the 1/32 scale John Deere S780 combine produced by Ertl under the Prestige Collection line. The packaging is pretty simple. It has a window so you can actually see the model if you don't want to take it out, which I enjoy. I was pleasantly surprised by the amount of detail on this combine. The rear panel actually opens and a ladder pulls out. The rear wheels actually turn like they're supposed to. You can tuck the ladder away on the combine. The header of course folds and lifts and lowers. The auger opens, and they even put on some little mirrors here as well. Being that this is the Prestige line, that was kind of a nice added bonus. Some of the things that I would like to see on this combine is maybe more of those panels open up, and I still really want to see these grain hoppers fold down. I know that's more complex, but it would look so much better. Based on the fact that it has little rollers on the bottom of the headers, it looks like it's intended to be played with. Generally, it's a really nice model, and I was putting off getting it because I was hoping that they would come out with the 1/32 scale X9, but we haven't seen that yet. And of course, since it's harvest season, I had to take this thing outside, throw a little bit of corn in it, and match it up to the 8RX. If you like this video, be sure to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.